welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this starter locks for this client. The client came in a few weeks before we did a consult, and during our consultation we were able to decide on the size of her locks and also how we're going to start it. So as you can see, I'm starting her locks with the 2-strand twist. And it just works best for her hair texture because her hair is very tight in terms of her curl pattern, so it'll hold the twists very well. Also, she wanted a kind of boho look, so we definitely opt for a twist that's going to make her locks appear more fluffy than they are. Once I'm done twisting the first row, I'm going to go in with the crochet needle and interlock her hair at the roots just to ensure that her roots stay flat and does not become puffy throughout her locking process. You guys already know how I am about my parts. You know, I have to get in there, make sure they're clean and neat. On to the next row, I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to make sure that her hair is parted in a brick pattern. I like brick patterns for locks. It ensures that there's not going to be any empty space and each lock is going to fall in between a part. The second row is going to be just about the same as the row before. I am going to interlock her roots when I am done. The product I'm using to start her locks is our organic styling gel with argan oil and also aloe vera. This styling gel is perfect for starting it because it gives her hair a hold, shine, and the hydration it needs to start her locking process. Do you see this, ladies and gentlemen? The shrinkage is real. Looking at her hair, you would not expect it to be this long. But yes, once stretched out, the shrinkage is definitely real. And as I tell my client, shrinkage means healthy hair, so embrace it. I am done with one side. I'm about to do the other side of her hair. Now, just an update on the technique that I'm using. I used a crochet needle in the back to interlock, and in the front, you'll see me here. I did almost like a passion twist. I started with the braids, and then I'm going to 2-strand twist her hair. It's going to give the same effect as the loop or the interlock with the crochet, except I just find this process to be faster than actually going back in and interlocking each one of the twists with the crochet needle. Lastly, I'm going to go in with our Sleek and Shine styling mousse, apply it to her locks. This is just going to help to give her an additional hold as well as shine, and then put the client under the dryer for a few minutes. So this is the final results, guys. Let me know what you think. She was super excited to start her lock journey, and we are even more excited that she started her journey with us. Thank you for watching.